You know, I think what's unique is I spent 15 years at the manufacturer and I've met with over 10,000 contractors. And in general, the industry has a terrible rating, somewhere between used car salesmen and trial lawyers. Because the reality is most contractors cut corners and don't know what they're doing. So the reason I started this business was because I saw such a need in Johnson County. There's over 400,000 homes in the KC area that are over 40 years old and have failing wood. And every day they're getting contractors to come out there and give them bids to do shoddy work and not do it right. And how's a homeowner supposed to know, right? There's BBB rated and Google reviews, and the reality is even most contractors that want to do a good job don't have the systems and processes to actually manage their subs, and they're not looking out for homeowners' best interests. At Fairway, we're absolutely obsessed with customer experience. And so from the minute you contact us, we call you immediately. We always answer our phone, we're always here 24/7. And so after a quick phone consultation to understand what you're interested in, I'll come out and take what's called a hover report. It's basically it's a satellite technology that gets me to 0.1% the takeoff of your house. And then from there, I'll put together a quote, and I'd like to sit down with you from the first time you call me, probably 3 days. And then we'll do a design consultation meeting. I'll show you all the different design options, different renderings on a computer, just like Joanna Gaineswood watching Fixer Upper. And I'll have a price ready for you on the spot. If you're not ready, I totally get it. A lot of homeowners need to get 2 or 3 quotes. I would too as a homeowner. So you let us know. It's no pressure. It's very easy. If we're not a good fit for you, I totally understand. But we're thinking about you and your experience the entire time.